What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have these TWS earbuds Ceramics from Rose Technics. This one costs less than 30 US dollars, and within 30 US dollars or maybe within 50 US dollars segment, this is one of the best earbuds available on the market. Before we start the review, there are 5 things I want to mention about this set of earbuds. Ceramics TWS earbuds from Rose Technics supports dual device connection. That means it supports MPC, multi-point connection. It has very good 25 decibel ENC, environmental noise cancellation. This Ceramics TWS earbuds has a gaming mode. In gaming mode, we get around 60 milliseconds of low latency, so that's a great thing. Only 10 minutes of charging, and Ceramics TWS earbuds offer 6 to 7 hours of playback time. And finally, I think you care about this more. How about the sound quality? Yeah, personally, I believe Ceramics TWS earbuds from Rose Technics offers the best sound quality within 30 to 50 US dollars segment. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing and then we will go through the review process. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, I really like the name, Ceramics. The Ceramics comes in a light and round-shaped charging case. Each of the earbuds weighs 4.4 grams, so yeah, it's not heavy, it's even lighter than many other flagship earbuds. In terms of comfort, I must say Rose Technics Ceramics offers a very good comfy, and inside the ear groove, it doesn't give me any irritating feelings. Rather, I feel a soothing, comfortable feelings. Once it gets inside my ear canal, well, it gets a very tight seal, so it offers some kind of passive noise cancellation, and even if you are someone who would like to do some sports wearing your earbuds, you will be able to do that because it sits inside the ear canal without any issue. Whatever we do, it's not gonna get dropped off. I really like the design. All the curves and cutouts are meaningful. It really has a nice ergonomic design. Rose Technics has actually collected 70 different shapes and adjusted based on 200 different ear canal data. So well, this set of earbuds are going to be good for almost everybody. It's gonna sit inside the ear canal of different people with different sized ear groove and ear canal, and it's gonna offer comfort. Each of the earbuds are equipped with 2 mics, and as this brand Rose Techniques, they have developed their own algorithm. And as this set of earbuds, this Ceramics has a flagship chip, it offers a very good environmental noise cancellation. It can do adaptive noise reduction even in a very noisy environment. It can reduce up to 25 decibel of environmental noise, so that's really a great thing. I have mentioned it in many of my earbuds review videos that I don't want to use different earbuds for calls and meetings. I want to use a set of earbuds which offers a very good sound quality and at the same time offers very clear, crystal clear call quality. So yeah, I have thoroughly tested these earbuds and these are able to provide very good crystal clear call quality. Okay, call quality is good. I'm gonna give 9 out of 10 for that. But what about sound quality? That's the most important part of a set of earbuds. But before I talk about sound quality, there is another thing I want to mention. If a set of earbuds comes with ear tips, then I believe the ear tips are the second most important thing after the sound quality. I have reviewed different earbuds from this brand Rose Technics, and I have noticed that they always offer the same quality, premium quality ear tips along with all of their earbuds. It doesn't matter whether the earbuds cost 29.99 US dollars or 49.99 US dollars. They offer the most premium ear tips. The ear tips are pretty soft yet has its own rigidness. So once the ear tips gets inside my ear canal, or when it's gonna get inside your ear canal, you will never feel that there is any fatigue or any issue, and at the same time you will have that soothing tight seal which will offer passive noise cancellation. Well, I know we have to talk about the sound quality. When it comes to sound reproduction, I'm surprised to see this brand Rose Techniques, they have actually developed a very nice algorithm with a very wide dynamic range. The bass is a bit boosted, so well, you're definitely gonna like it if you love lows. And at the same time, they have trimmed the treble into a level where it's not like too much boosted and not like it's a bit mixed. So you are gonna get very good quality treble, sharp and separated, and at the same time it has boosted bass. So it has a very wide dynamic range, and in between the mids has this boomy bright effect which gives a very delightful listening experience. If you're listening to a very good quality music like 192 kilohertz or something like that, then you will feel like you are listening to the master tape. It offers a very good CD quality sound. Not only music, as the brand Rose Techniques has used a very good quality 10mm dynamic drivers along with DLC diamond-like carbon diaphragm. You're also gonna enjoy podcasts, movies, gaming, everything. It has a very wide sound stage, and I am truly surprised by the sound imaging and sound reproduction. Talking about gaming, well, this set of earbuds has its own gaming mode, and as I mentioned earlier in the beginning, it goes down to 60 milliseconds latency, even less than 60 milliseconds. So there is no lag, and it offers a very good in game experience. As all the different hertz are reproduced with clarity, you will get a very delightful in game experience. As usual, yeah, this set of earbuds also has its own application. Rose Technics has developed their own application for all of their earbuds. That's Rose Link. It's really very easy to pair, and if you have a lot of different Rose Technics earbuds, then you can easily switch or flip between the different earbuds. Inside the application, we not only can check the battery status of both the earbuds, but we can also select between three different preset equalizer. There is this pop, hi-fi, and rock. Underneath that, yeah, that's our game mode. We can turn on game mode to activate low latency, and underneath that we have touch control customization. I really like this thing about these ceramics. Most of the other budget and affordable earbuds, touch control of those earbuds are like hit or miss, but the touch sensors of these earbuds are very responsive. There are three options on each of the earbuds, so we have six different touch controls. We can select between what will happen on single tap, double taps, and press for 2 seconds. Okay, we can also update or upgrade the firmware through this application. There is this OTA upgrade. You can clearly see over here, my earbuds are already updated. Okay, Ceramics from Rose Techniques supports Bluetooth 5.3. So we have a very wide coverage. I have even managed to use this set of earbuds with 15 meters distance from my phone. So that's really a very long range. And as this set of earbuds, I mean this ceramics from Rose Techniques supports a dual device connection. Yeah, I have used this set of earbuds with two of my different smartphones, and the switching time is really pretty minimum, almost no switching time. So yeah, I bought a second set of ceramics from Rose Techniques for my girlfriend Thea. We both use the same set of earbuds, even if we have access to a lot of different flagship earbuds, because we care about value proposition. Well, that's all about the set of budget earbuds. Ceramics. Okay, there is another thing. Thea has noticed that once this set of earbuds with its charging case is fully recharged, she can manage to extract up to 28 hours of listening time. I have also managed to extract something similar, so that's really super crazy cool. So, well, Ceramics from Rose Techniques offers the best sound quality among all the 30 to 50 US dollars earbuds. Not only that, these offers the best value for money within its own price segment. I have left a link of these ceramics in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. If you're in the market and looking for a budget and affordable earbuds with very good sound quality, then I wouldn't hesitate to recommend these to you. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.